In the high-end field of smelting, the passing score is never enough. The real strong never go with the flow, but redefines industry standards. From the laboratory to the construction site, Henan Ruitai implements strict internal control indicators to every tiny gap in the kiln masonry. Behind the tight fit is that we use higher dimensional technical parameters to raise the entry threshold of special refractory materials. We are the standard makers rather than followers, with uncompromising pursuit of excellence, providing your core equipment with exceeding your expectations for safety, redundancy. Raise the bar. Leading manufacturing, Henan Ruitai defines new height of refractory materials.